The series of events that you're about to witness are related to footage found near an abandoned farm in rural Mexico. It is an account of the misfortunes which befell a group of 4 young men in their adventure of exploration. It is all the more tragic in that they were young, but had they lived very long lives, they could not have anticipated, nor would they have wished to observe, as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, a pleasant summer drive became a rock and roll nightmare. What they found that day uncovered one of the most sadistic and atrocious slaughters in the annals of criminal history. The Bulldozer Incident.
Rojas frente